Hello guys, so in this video we are going to initiate our Django CRM project. We are going to create this project in virtual environment. All the required links and important messages will be in description. So let's get started. We are going to follow this tutorial which is on my website studygyan.com. So in this folder, in this figure, we are explaining how to create the Django project. I believe this is the best folder structure for Django. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to create a project main folder. In that we are going to create a Django folder where all the main files will be there, and we are going to create a apps folder. All the apps will be there inside it. Templates, all the templates will be there, static and media folders, and we are going to create a virtual environment in this folder. So we have already created one CRM Django folder. In this we are going to keep all our project files and libraries. So for creating virtual environment we are going to use virtual env. Okay, how to install this virtual env in Ubuntu as well as Windows will be in description. Okay, so virtual env, all these commands will be same for Ubuntu as well as Windows. Something in installation will be different, but afterwards all commands will be same. So virtual env and env folder name and hit enter. This will create the virtual environment in CRM Django. As you see, the environment is being created here. Now that our virtual environment is being created, now we need to activate it. So we are going to activate it using /env, the folder name, /scripts/activate. Okay, and hit enter. If you see the prefix like this, the folder name in the brackets, this means our virtual environment has been created successfully and has been activated. To activate the virtual environment in Ubuntu will be something different. So now our virtual environment is being activated. Now we need to install Django inside it. So for installing Django inside it, we are going to use pip install Django. This will install Django in the virtual environment. As you see, our Django is being installed in virtual environment. So now we are going to start our Django project. Let's start a project. So let's start a Django project by using command django-admin start project and the project name. So we are going to keep it as CRM_main. Okay, and hit enter. After here, note we have to create a dot here because we have already created the folder, so it will not create the outside folder. Okay, and hit enter. And as you see, our main file has been created. In this, all settings, URLs and WSDF files are there, and the manage.py. Now that we have created the main folder, we need to create the folders like templates, apps and settings. You can directly create it from here, new folder. Okay, and the name as templates, hit enter. Similarly, you can create it using command line also, make directory apps and hit enter. And as you see, the apps folder is being created. Then we are going to create static as well as media folder. And as you see, our project structure is looking like this. Okay, now that we have created the template and static and media folder, we need to tell Django that we have created this folder and you have to take all the templates from here. So for that we have to type this code in settings.py file. So I'm going to open this folder using Visual Studio Code, which I believe is the best one for Django and best editor also, and in Django CRM. Okay, settings.py. You can keep it wherever you want, and you can replace this one. Okay, save the file. Now that we have created the folder and template directory, we need to tell the Django that in the base folder we are having the templates file folder. So for that, here we need to change this one code, and that's it. Now we can run our folder. One more thing, we need to gather the all static files in our static folder so that it can be easily served. So for that we can use the command manage.py collect static. So go to the terminal and hit enter. Okay, this will collect the static files. Okay, and as you can see, all the admins, all the static files are there inside it. Now all we have done, so we can run the Django project. So for running that project, use the command python manage.py run server again and hit enter. This will run the Django project, and here we are not seeing error, so this means our Django project is running successfully and we are not having any errors. So if you go to the browser and type localhost 8000 port, here you will see the image like this. The installed works successfully. Congratulations. So we have installed Django project, created the virtual environment, installed Django inside it, created the folders, the best practices folders for that project. And in the next video we are going to configure the settings.py, the best practice for settings.py file. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.